Hi everyone, today we have this platform called Sender and this is the best email marketing software. Now, before we dive in, make sure that you check out the link below so that you can follow along with an extended free trial and get some exclusive bonuses. Now, we are currently on its dashboard and we are just getting started, so I have entered few information, few line of stuff. So on the left side you can see you have your main dashboard, you have your email campaigns. Currently I have not created any campaign. To create it, simply click on your first campaign. Now the point to be noted here is that since it is an email marketing software, you will be having different type of templates for your email marketing campaigns. You need to enter details such as your email subject, your email preview text, and this as well. So you can see we have our inbox previews, how it is going to be looking. You have your plain text and custom HTML could be integrated as well. You also have your SMS campaigns. So besides email campaigns, it offers SMS campaigns, but for that you're going to be needing to upgrade our plan, but it works similarly as email. But on SMS we have our subscribers that are going to be subscribed. So to add a subscriber, you can add that in here, and you can see we have this option to enter details. Once you do that, they will be listed and populated in this section. You have your automations, so for that you can create different type of workflows for your welcome page, thank you page, and your abundant cart recovery. So if you click on use this template, you will be able to see a workflow builder is now opened up. And if I click on start building, I can simply move things around, add different things in here, like for example delay, email, SMS, and how the workflow system works. Okay, so besides that, finally we have our forms and even create our forms in here, so that is something usable as well. Now to adding in, we have some reviews about the platform as well, like for example a review from a mail chip survivor: excellent customer service, simple and effective email automation platform. So make sure to give it a try using the link in the description to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards. So thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.